Hello guys, let's solve new company's SQL query. Let's go ahead and read the question. Amber's conglomerate corporation just acquired some new companies. Each company follows this hierarchy: founder, lead manager, senior manager, manager, employee. Given the table schemes below, write a query to print the company code, founder name, total number of lead managers, total number of senior managers, total number of managers, and total number of employees. And they also gave us one more condition: order your output by ascending company code. So, based on this, we have to write a query. Let's go ahead and see the columns they gave. Company table, sorry, lead manager table, senior manager table, employee table. Let's see the sample inputs they gave in order to understand the question even better. They gave in this sample input, there are two companies, C1 and C2. For that companies, there are two founders, Monica, Monica and Samantha. And I'm guessing there are one lead manager for each company and two senior managers for this C1 company and one senior manager for C2 company. And managers employee table. See the output. It has company code, founder's name, number of lead managers, number of senior managers, two for this C1 company, one for C2 company, and one manager for C1 company, and two managers for C2 company, and same employees. There are two employees for C1 company and two employees for C2 company. That's what they are expecting in the output. So let's go ahead and write the code. For each code, to simplify the query, and I usually divide it into three parts: select, from, and actual code that I wrote. So in the select section, I define all the output that they are expecting to retrieve from the database, which can be found in the question itself, which are found company code, founder name, and total number of lead managers. In order to get this, in order to count total number of lead managers for each company, we need to use function called count. And I'm using distinct here in order to avoid duplicates. And counting lead managers using lead manager code. And I am assigning this number to total lead managers. Similarly, we have to count total number of employees and total number of managers. and senior managers. Let's repeat the same code. So to count senior managers, I need to use senior manager code. This can be found on senior manager table. I'm using SM as Alice for senior manager table, and I'm assigning this number to total senior managers. For managers, same code. That can be used manager code. This can be found in manager table. I'm using M as a shortcut, and I'm assigning it to total managers. So we're going to get total managers as an output and use same, nothing to change. Employee code. And we're going to assign it as total employees. We defined everything that they're expecting in the output. So in the from section, the main table that we are working with is the company table. We're going to call company table as C in order to avoid repetition. We're going to use left join here. Left join. For those who don't know what's left join is, in the left join, everything from the left table gonna be there in the output, and the subsequent, like the matching set in the right table, gonna be present in the output. The left table here is the table that comes before the join is called left table, company C, and the table comes after the left join is going to be the right table. Here the table is in order to count lead managers, right? So it's going to be lead manager table. Shortcut LM on based on what condition? Everything should be same, either use capital or small. I'm using small letters. On we are using the matching column that we are using to join these two tables is company code column. So C dot company code equals to LM dot company code. We use this column, company code column, in each table. In the lead manager table, there is a company code column, and in in the company table, there is a company code column. Using this column, we're gonna join these two tables, company table and lead manager table, in order to get number of lead manager count. So same this code gonna be repeated for manager, employee. So let's go ahead and write the code. Sorry, should be captive. Let's join senior manager. Gonna be the right table here. SM on condition C dot company code equals to SM dot company code. Same for employee and manager. For manager table, using shortcut as M, same for employees, using shortcut as E, C dot company code dot company. And we're gonna group this by company code and founder name. So in that sense, every like it gonna count based on each company. How many lead managers are there, senior managers, and employee. Based on each company, it gonna count. For that, I use group by. Group by dot company code, comma, dot. And they're also asked for ascending order, remember? So we have to use order by in order to get company codes on ascending order. Let's, yeah, that's all. Let's go ahead and run the code. Yep, that works. Thank you, guys.